Our top focus this morning is on the 12th ASEAN's India Summit, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to meet his Chinese counterpart today. This will be the Prime Minister's first meeting with his Chinese counterpart. Li Keqiang was among the first world leaders to greet Modi over the phone after he was sworn in as Prime Minister in May this year. He had then pledged to build a robust relationship with the Modi government. The Prime Minister is also likely to meet Russian Prime Minister Medvedev and heads of state of Indonesia and Laos before leaving for Australia for the G20 summit in Brisbane. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Modi addressed the summit and spoke about his Make in India policy and asked ASEAN leaders to make use of the improved investment and trade environment in the country. He also met opposition leader Aung San Suu Kyi on the sidelines of the summit. The Prime Minister is currently on a 10-day visit to Myanmar, Australia and Fiji. Let's get a word from our Deputy Editor Smita Sharma, who's with us live from Naypyidaw this morning. Good morning, Smita. The Prime Minister has already started his day with a meeting with Russia's Medvedev.
Absolutely. Minglava, Simi, to you as well and to all our viewers on Headlines today. It's a sunny, bright day here in Naypyidaw, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi currently, of course, in those meetings with the Russian counterpart, Dmitry Medvedev. India, Russia, of course, have had age-old ties, especially in sectors of defense, in areas of nuclear cooperation. The Prime Minister Modi did meet, of course, President Putin along the sidelines of the BRICS summit when he was there in Fortaleza in July this year. Now, of course, with Medvedev, he would be looking at, the possible, of course, and there have been global conflicts also where India has taken positions, in fact, siding Russia, especially in the Ukraine crisis. But it's really the talks with the Chinese that will, in fact, have us draw a lot of attention towards it.
Absolutely, Smita, and a crucial meeting lined up with the Chinese Prime Minister as well. What's on the agenda there?
When two leaders meet, obviously, as the Ministry of External Affairs would say, that all sorts of discussions happen on wide gamut of issues. Now, clearly, as far as India and China are concerned, some of the more sticky issues continue to be those border violations, especially across the LSC, reports of infiltrations from the Chinese side. Yesterday, in fact, it was interesting at the India ASEAN summit, Narendra Modi there making those statements in the closed-door meeting and saying, without of course naming any country, that every one of us must respect maritime laws and must not violate these treaties, the UN Convention, and not just maritime space but also air passage needs to be respected. Now, one could perhaps guess where he was really hinting at, because this is one forum today when the East Asia Summit kicks off, where you'll have Japan, China, Vietnam, Philippines, or all these countries together. So this region by itself, if you see, there is so much of scope for cooperation, but there is a lot of potential for conflict as well. So clearly these issues will be on the table when Narendra Modi meets Li Keqiang later this afternoon.
Smita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you through the day for more developments.